You may wonder if Daytona Jeep Beach actually had Jeep off-road experiences. Check this out. Do they make it out? And why am I so excited? We are on our way to the Jeep Beach off-road experience. Now we have Thor with us, and
where are they taking us to? This looks like an abduction place.
We're gonna be careful because we have Thor, and we haven't even tried all the buttons in Thor yet.
Okay, so we're looking at one of the vehicles just came off the trail here. I just want to show you this. Pretty sure that's going to take a long time to get clean.
If you want it not that deep, go to the left.
The left is a little smooth.
So this is Thor's first obstacle course. Uh-oh, Sparky.
Step across that line. Stand up, you'll be fine. It's the perfect day for what we're waiting for now. It's our chance to shine. It's gonna be a perfect day, a perfect day, a perfect day. It's gonna be a perfect day, a perfect day.
Okay, so here at Jeep Beach at the track, there are so many vendors. I mean, so many cool things. Literally everything you could want for your Jeep is here, and the prices are great. So we are super pumped, and I can feel my wallet actually leaving my van.
So this is the face you make when your ride to the Tiki Party is a limo. So we're in line for the party, for the Tiki Party, and just take a look at how many people are in line. Behind us. In front of us. The Tiki Party was a lot of fun with music and prizes and food and drinks, but not gonna lie, the best part was the limo ride.
You gotta go live for this. One.
Feel the sun and let the moment come so we can reach the highest.
So Jeep Beach 2022 was so much fun. There were tons of vendors, lots of stuff to do. Of course, there's the beach, and we had a great time with our friends. What'd you think?
We had an awesome time. You know, just getting away, just having time to be around people that like to do the same stuff that you do. Being at this awesome racetrack for the first time, hearing the roar and thunder of the cars going around the track. Awesome time. Definitely allowed us to be free.